Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Views. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So guys, in this video, I'd like to cover up on the new electric bike which is going to be launched soon. It's the Oben EV. It is OBEN EV. It's a Bangalore-based electric bike manufacturer, and it's a startup, guys. Uh, Before starting this video, I'd like to wish you all a happy New Year. And as a New Year plan on this channel, also there are few changes which is going to happen, guys. The changes is going to be very minimal. Previously you had only two videos in a week, but at present I'm planning for three videos and on a specific day, right? So that there will be more clarity when the video is going to be released. So three videos in a week, and Wednesday, Friday and Sunday sharp at 3 p.m. you'll be getting the videos. I understand I don't make any fancy edit, but I wanted to keep it simple and clear with my videos, guys. I understand it doesn't uh, attract more subscribers, but as an end user, uh, when you give a comment stating that it is very satisfying, that is the only happiness what I wanted, right? So, and I've started a new food channel as well. I'll share the link in the description as well as in the iCard. You can go ahead and check it out. Please do show some love on that channel as well, and comment down below if you want in this channel itself or you want it on a different uh, channel, right? The food videos. And coming back to the video, guys, the Oben EV, as mentioned earlier, it's a Bangalore-based startup, and they're trying to come into the electric bike segment, right? Not the scooter. There are only few options in the biking segment, so they're trying to bring the bike instead of scooters, and they're planning for the affordable segment, guys. They're not going to do it in the premium, but they'll try to bring it in the affordable segment. At present you have Revolt Motors, which already exists in the market, right? It is priced around 1 lakh 6,999, and if Oben is trying to uh, price affordably, and if they bring the vehicle under 1 lakh segment, I hope most of them would try to buy it. At least they'll try to test drive the vehicle, right? And in terms of features, the top speed of 100 kilometers is more than enough for a city condition, and a range of 200 kilometers as per the company's official website, right? But 200 kilometers is a closed riding condition, guys. On the actual traffic conditions it might vary it, and the acceleration of 3 seconds for 0 to 40. Again, it depends how we are going to ride it, right? Charging time of 2 hours in the standard charger. Upon the launch you might see the fast charging option and the charging infrastructure reveal, and the launch, it would be happening soon. There's no official date, but first half of 2022, this is the time what company is planning for, and the delivery is in the April 2022. In terms of the design, already they have multiple patent, guys, so that no one else copies the design, right? The design also looks really good. I'll share you the images as well as the official video from their website. You can go ahead and check it out. It really looks very good, and you'll be getting digital instrument cluster as well. All the information will be shared on the digital instrument cluster, and it will be having over the air update. So any new update, it will be showed on the screen as well as on the application as well, right? So they will be having a dedicated app where the statistics will be shown. As a bike owner or the buyer, I have only one concern, guys. The recent known as kept their promise to the expectation of the buyer, right? I hope Oben really satisfies the buyer expectation. This is the only concern I have it with any new EV manufacturer or the existing company also, right? Only customer who is satisfied right now is the Hero Electric customers, right? They don't have any issues till now. I hope that satisfaction when a customer pays 1 lakh or 1,50,000 really gives them the satisfaction. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Do check out my new channel as well and comment down below if you wanted in the same channel itself. Please be safe, ride safe. Please get vaccinated. Bye.